Welcome to the world of photography. Photography is awesome. Capturing moments in time is super cool. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's always something new to learn. Let's dive into the exciting world of photography and explore some must-watch videos for photography enthusiasts like you. Photography lets you share your unique perspective with the world. It's a journey of creativity and technical skill. Let's embark on this adventure together. Gear up for success. Choosing the right gear can be game-changing. For beginners, start with a basic DSLR or mirrorless camera. Don't go all out on expensive gear just yet. Learn the ropes first. A good lens is crucial. A versatile kit lens is a great starting point. As you progress, explore different lens options for specific photography styles. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. Mastering the basics, settings, and composition. Understanding camera settings is key to capturing stunning images. Learn about aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. The exposure triangle is your best friend. Composition is all about framing your shots. Use the rule of thirds, leading lines, and symmetry to create visually appealing images. Experiment with different angles and perspectives. Section 4. Light up your shots. Lighting can make or break your photos. Natural light is your best bet. Learn to work with different lighting conditions, from golden hour to overcast days. Artificial lighting opens up a world of possibilities. Experiment with off-camera flash or continuous lighting to add drama and depth to your images. Section 5. The magic of post-processing. Post-processing is like adding the final touches to your masterpiece. Use software like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop to enhance colors, adjust exposure, and fine-tune your images. Remember, less is more. Don't overdo it with the editing. Aim for natural-looking enhancements that elevate your photos without making them look overly processed. So there you have it. Photography is a journey of continuous learning. Embrace the process, experiment, and most importantly, have fun capturing the world through your lens. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more photography tips and tricks.